In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert watermark in Microsoft Excel. We'll use a simple, reliable method that places your watermark as a header image so it appears on every printed page and in page layout view. This works great for logos or confidential marks and keeps your data easy to read. First, open Excel and the workbook where you want the watermark. Make sure the correct worksheet is active because watermarks are added per sheet, not across the entire file. Next, go to the Insert tab at the top. In the text section, choose Header and Footer. Excel will switch to Page Layout View and you'll see three boxes across the top of your sheet: left, center, and right header areas. This view helps you position content that repeats on every page. Click into the center header box. Using the center box keeps the watermark balanced across the page, though you could technically choose left or right if that suits your layout. When you click the box, Excel shows the Header and Footer tab on the ribbon. On that tab, click Picture. This tells Excel you want to place an image in the header, which will sit behind your cells like a watermark. Choose your file from your device or a cloud location. A transparent PNG or a light gray image typically works best for watermarks because it stays subtle behind your data. After you select the image, Excel will insert a code that looks like in picture in the header box. Don't worry, that's just a placeholder. Click anywhere outside the header area or press Escape. The placeholder instantly turns into your image, now sitting behind your worksheet content. You'll see it clearly in page layout view and in print preview. If you switch back to normal view, the watermark won't be visible, but it will still print. A few quick tips to get it looking just right. If the watermark is too large or too dark, click back into the header, select the image code, and use the Format Picture options on the Header and Footer tab to scale it and adjust brightness or contrast. A lighter, semi-transparent look helps the data remain readable. If your sheet has narrow margins, consider reducing image size so it doesn't crowd the edges. And if you need the same watermark on multiple sheets, repeat the process on each sheet to keep formatting consistent. If you ever need to remove it, return to the header area, select the in-picture code, and delete it. That's it. Your watermark is now set up in Excel, ready for printing and sharing.